Creating sustainable products is at the core for Tweezerman, and this really means a lot to me. I love to do outdoor things. We love to surf, go snowboarding, and spend a lot of time fishing, etc. And so anytime that we can help save the environment, I'm all on board. So let's do a manicure that utilizes eco-friendly tools for our prep, and then we're gonna finish off with a fun polish technique, which will help sustain your manicure and allow it to last longer than ever. We always want to start our manicure with a clean base, and that means removing any polish or treatments that might be left over from the previous manicure. So we're simply going to apply polish remover to the polish remover cloth. It comes in a set of 3, and it basically removes any need to have to use cotton balls or cotton pads. And they're super durable, and they will withstand up to 20 regular wash cycles. So this manicure, we want this style to stay short because we want it to last as long as possible. So what I'm going to do is actually remove these corners and soften the shape a bit, so that way there's less chance of catching on anything and worrying about those corners chipping or breaking. The nails are still nice and short, so I really don't need to cut in the center, just taking the corners off so we can round out the shape. The softer shape is going to be a less chance of chipping and breaking, which will help sustain the manicure and allow it to last longer. We kept our length and our desired shape. Now we're going to perfect our shape by filing in one direction, from the side to the center, and then we want to soften those edges. We want to round those corners just a bit. Again, to keep those from snagging or catching on anything. This is going to help our manicure last longer. So now we're going to check our shape by holding our hands towards us. And then I like to draw an imaginary line down the center of the nail. And then what I do to one side of the nail, I do to the other side of the nail. And then I do to each nail. Next, we're going to push back cuticles, and we're going to use the glass pushy to do this. The glass pushy has a texture that is unmatched. The angled in is perfect for pushing back the cuticle and removing excess nail buildup at the same time. Now we want to carefully trim any non-living tissue, any of those hangnails or bits of skin that's sticking up. And for this, we're going to use the Rock Hard Cuticle Nipper. This is my go-to nipper because of how precise it is. The super sharp tips won't snag or tear cuticles while cutting, and the hand-sharpened blades give me perfect, precise cuts each time. Now we'll finish off the look using our glass nail buffer. The great thing about this is it buffs and shines all in one step, so it makes doing the manicure quicker and easier. So you can see what it's doing to the nail, how it's smoothing and shining. It's reusable, you use it every time versus one-use or disposable files. So now we're gonna talk about a sustainable nail art look. Not everyone's into nail art, and the great thing about this look is you can make it as minimalistic or as extreme as you want to. A really fun idea is almost like nail tattoos, and where we take a natural clean nail, but we want it to have a super high gloss shine. The higher the shine of the natural nail, the higher shine of the polish. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have fun. We're gonna take some nail stickers. Fruits, I feel, are trending this year. So if you can find yourself any little fruit nail stickers from strawberries, bananas, cherries, etc., this could be a lot of fun. If you're into flowers, flowers would also work. All you have to do is reapply little pieces of fruit or flowers or stars or whatever your pattern is as it grows out, and continue applying clear coat. So now your design evolves as your nail grows, and you're continuing to refresh your manicure so that it lasts longer than it normally would.